This is the new uh, open training practical area of Dr. Rajendra Singh. He created the idea, whatever he learned, he want to teach the rest of the world. So what he saw in a well in Rajasthan in olden days, cross section of the soil and how water can be stored or pushed underground to recharge the groundwater. He dug this 100 feet deep trench and then created a way to go there. And on the way, he has actually put all the people like Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwar, and all the people who have actually assisted him and guided him in finding out the truth of geoscience, geoengineering. And these are the ladies who have actually helped him and traveled with him throughout the world from here. And pictures of all Mahatma Gandhi and Jay Prakash ji and our Professor G.D. Agarwal and all. These
19वीं 20वीं और 21वीं शताब्दी में जो जीवित संदेश देता है वो ये देता है कि ये जो प्रकृति है इसमें जो पैदा होता है उसके प्राणों का पालन करने के लिए शक्ति है।
ये रमेश जी Rajendra Singh discussing in the morning what happens if you keep going down here. You will find the cross section of the land. Then you know what is happening. What you are seeing on the top is not important. This side all trees with thorns, and these are side trees with leaves. He says where the water is there, you will find trees with leaves, and where there is no water, you will find trees with thorns, and this is area in between. So if we go down, understand the geoengineering or geoscience or whatever we call, or what is inside. You see the below structure, you see the trees, and some trees will grow and some trees won't grow because of the soil condition below it's the tree and under the ground. And you see these cross fractures if you look at it. So whatever rain falls there through these cracks, it reaches the bottom. And this is called a soft rock or aquifer where the water can be stored underwater aquifers. When you dig the bore, it comes down like this, and from here it taps the water. And very important thing what I learned yesterday is this. If you look, this is topsoil is like a solid cake, and then below is again horizontal fractures, thick horizontal fractures. If the water is stored up to here, if the soil is dug up to here, the water can retain here. If you dig below another 20 feet, 30 feet, then you find this cross section when the horizontal rocks where actually water can be supplied to other portions. You know, here water can quickly gets into the soil. Here it will not go. So you have to find, whenever we are trying to create recharge pits to recharge the soil, we need to dug something like this in every area and see where this kind of cracks and fractures are there, horizontal fractures are there. Up to that, if you dig it, whatever rainwater comes, that can be charged into the ground. So this is a portion of prevent urban flooding also. If Hyderabad wants to do urban flooding, prevent urban flooding, they need to have points like this and divert the water into this. The water comes from here, from that rooftop. You can see that small entry point. So from there, about 3-4 kilometers of water can be gathered and pushed into this. So whenever there is severe rain, the water comes here and gets charge its underground aquifers, and groundwater recharging happens. Just a small experimental well it is, and these kind of things are to be kept in every schools and colleges, engineering colleges and all. The children will know what is there below their bottom, below the ground, and how the groundwater can be recharged in their areas. Thank you very much. Good morning, and this is actually Satyanarayana from Alwar, Rajasthan, Tarun Bharat Sangh.